Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. Happy Tuesday, December 6, 2022. I hope you're all doing well. All right, so I've got the SPY up here on the daily. And as you can see, we talked about this last night that we had a red Heikin-Ashi candle, right? These are Heikin-Ashi candles, daily candles. And we had a red Heikin-Ashi. So typically what I like to do is if the next day, if you're a swing trader, opens up red, okay, that means we have a red Heikin-Ashi trend dot down here at the bottom. That's a good opportunity for me to start looking for shorts. One of the ways I like to trade as well, once you have these swing trades opportunities, then I like to go to like an hourly chart, for example. You can see here, 9:30 yesterday, we had an hourly trigger short. And what I like to do, following my own rules, as long as Heikin-Ashi stays red, okay, I'm going to stay in this trade until I get a green dot here down at the bottom. Okay, so I'm just waiting for a green dot to exit this opportunity. And what it allows me to do is catch some of these bigger moves. Yet if it were to turn around and go in the opposite direction, let's say I would have got a green dot right here, then that could have been a small loss. So I focus on small losses. I'll get some small wins with opportunities of bigger wins, right? What we don't know at this point is, how many more bars this is going to go before I get a red dot. But my rules are simple. We also had another clue right here. We have the Heikin-Ashi Delta smooth indicator of mine, and you see how it was at the highest point on this chart. That means we probably have a reversal coming in the near future. Okay, when you get the extreme levels like this, and so this move down is not surprising based off the HADs there. Okay, folks. So some exciting news. If you like Heikin-Ashi, you want to learn about Heikin-Ashi, I'm doing a webinar tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern, so in 17 hours from today's video, 10 o'clock. You can register here. It's becomeabettertrader.com/yes. And during this webinar tomorrow, I'm going to talk about Heikin-Ashi, how I use Heikin-Ashi, show you some of my tools. And so whether if you're a swing trader, day trader, I think you're really going to enjoy this. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Again, becomeabettertrader.com/yes, YES. Then you can sign up, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right, folks, have a great night. Take care. Bye now.